It's not bad. It's just kind of a breeze. It's not a sustained wind.
Yeah, no, I see which way it's coming.
Over our backs right here.
I'm going, well, does it really make any difference?
That was a pretty takeoff.
Thank you.
You ain't lost nothing in the 4 weeks I've seen you out here, Jim. You must have been sneaking out on the weekends flying or something.
He was. He wasn't telling us.
Yeah, exactly. Didn't want us to come see him fly.
No, this plane, it just glides and glides.
You know what?
Since I pulled out up there, I chopped the throttle. I better get some there because I don't want to go after it. I'm lazy. Come on, you.
I made my trip out in the woods.
You did what, Pete?
I made my trip out into the woods.
Today?
No, no.
Oh, I was going to
On
say.
that timber before I discovered what was wrong with it. I was always chasing
That's
it.
it.
Oh, I've been walking out there to that north end so many times it ain't funny learning how to fly.
Yeah, that wind's kicking around up there.
Yeah, it's probably about 6 here on the ground.
Yeah. Yeah. A minute ago, the wings just moved up and down on it right through there. Wasn't me.
How about this weather though? 52 degrees. This is great.
I know.
Perfect.
Warmest day we've had since what, October or something?
Yeah. I went outside about 7. I go, wow, this is.
I think tomorrow's supposed to be up close to 70 and then it's going to drop back down into the 40, upper 40s, lower 50s.
Yeah, you got rain coming in Friday, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
And we don't want
Yeah, it looked like when I checked the weather, today was the only optimal day.
to. Yeah.
Rest of the week until middle of next week is probably not ideal conditions.
Is the FAA going through that test and license deal?
Well, they say that the test is a done deal, from what I've understood. It's probably will be effective sometime in the spring, but at least that was a rumor I heard anyway.
Well, I figured they might bring it up in a meeting tonight.
Probably so. I know I've already logged on to their comment session and left my 2 cents worth.
You didn't put your address in.
Oh yeah, you got to.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, you got to put your name, phone number, and everything.
They want your FAA number too?
No, they didn't ask for that, but with your name, phone number, and address, they can definitely get your. They know who you are when you post it.
Yeah.
But I got nothing to hide, man. I look at it as it's kind of overreaching
I do too.
governmental bureaucracy at work.
You're getting pushed over. There we go.
Look at you.
I guess the thing about landings, that to get this way, heading pretty close to the ground for have you noticed?
Well, we just thought you was trying to show off landing on one wheel, man.
Yeah.
No.